Yo, what's up, fellas? We're back at the garage. Pretty nice day in March from Pittsburgh, PA. Pretty nice day. Well, let's show you some progress we made. Bright sunny days. Love them. Well, we got the lower rad support tacked in. Got the plates in there, you know, help support it a little bit. We'll go to the back, show you the rear bumper support. Here we go. The rear bumper support is almost 40 pounds. This probably weighs about 6, so we dropped some weight there. Front bumper support is probably like 6 pounds. Drop some weight there. Front bumper factory support is about 24 pounds. Now, this is the progress. Smoothing the engine bay, putting the tubular supports in, lose some weight. There you have it, folks. I'll show you more as I progress and get more done. I got tons more to do, tons more to film, tons more you'll get to see. Peace out.